So today's recipe is Tiranga Pulao for the 69th Republic Day. It is a very easy recipe, very simple and can be made in only 20 to 25 minutes. So let's start with it. First we will make the jeera and garlic rice. For that take a pan, heat it and add the oil between 1 to 2 tablespoons. Add the cumin or jeera. Fry it until it pops. Then add the chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon. Saute it for few minutes and add the rice. Toss it with the jeera and garlic. Add little bit of salt. After adding salt, add little bit of Kasuri Methi. This is an optional step. And little bit of water so that the steam is generated and the rice is tossed easily. Here is your jeera garlic rice ready. Now let's make the second element, which is the orange rice, which is the tomato pulao. Take a pan, add little bit of oil. After adding oil, let it heat and add the jeera or cumin. Let it sizzle. Then add the ginger garlic paste. Cook it and add 1 tablespoon of chopped onion. Fry it until it is translucent. Little bit of garlic. This is the chopped garlic. Then the freshly made tomato puree. Cook it until it leaves the oil. Little bit of red chilli powder. Some Goda Masala, or you can also use the Garam Masala and Chaat Masala, and little bit of Pav Bhaji Masala. Cook it for a minute. Also add the salt and the rice. Mix it with the tomato. At the last, add some lemon juice, some Kasuri Methi, mix it and your tomato rice is ready. Now let's make the third element and the last element, which is the Palak Pulao. Add the oil, some cumin or jeera, garlic, this is the chopped one. Cook for a minute, add little bit of ginger garlic paste. Cook it until the rawness is gone and the onions. After adding onions, add the red chilli powder, Goda Masala or Garam Masala. Cook and add the palak puree or the spinach puree. Cook until all the masalas are combined really well. Little bit of salt as per taste. Pav Bhaji Masala and little bit of Chaat Masala. Mix it with the palak puree. Add the rice. This is the boiled rice, the basmati one. Mix it well and cook for a minute. At the last, add some kasuri methi and lemon juice. Mix it and your palak pulao is also ready. Now just we need to layer all the 3 rices or the pulaos. First add the orange rice or the tomato pulao. Then the jeera and garlic rice. Press it down a little bit. And last, the palak pulao. Take a plate, up down it, and flip the bowl of rice onto the plate. And take out the bowl, and the rice will come out very easily. Here is your Tiranga Pulao ready. Make sure you click the like button and also click the subscribe button and click the bell icon beside it to get notified as soon as I post my new video. Have a happy Republic Day and make sure that you make this Tiranga Pulao on this Republic Day. Thanks for watching, goodbye and happy cooking.